Hi, Jeff Mabry. I'm here with Texas Scenic Company at the LDI 2023. We'd like to talk about one of our products real quick that we're demonstrating this week. This is the SP600, which is a kit to allow for a cable pass-through to remain fire-rated in a fire-rated wall. As part of the kit, you get a lid and a collar, a matching set of lid and collar. You provide the PVC pipe yourself, and it can go as long as the wall is thick. And so you provide that. You've got a little bit of wire rope to attach to the inside of each lid. Lid comes off. That goes in the wall. Lid goes back on. Keeps it that way. We also provide the intumescent bags that live in the pass-through to keep the whole assembly, the wall, a 2-hour wall, fire-rated wall, not let any fire through. So really is a quick little solution. We felt a need in the marketplace for that, and we'd love to see you to talk about it. So. You can reach us at our website at www.texasscenic.com.